Correctly filtering a product list by size can be confusing. From mixed-up measurements to unlabeled categories, size filters are causing major headaches for online shoppers. Let's explore how leading e-commerce sites are solving this problem and discover the best practices for creating user-friendly size filters. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2488 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings: visually group and clearly label size filter options. Baymard's research has shown that narrowing down e-commerce product lists can be a frustrating task. Users browsing apparel products want to quickly select their size in the size filter so that they can focus only on items available in their size. However, many online apparel stores fail to group size options clearly, mixing waist, juniors, or regular sizes without explanation. This leads to misinterpretations, like assuming a waist size is for jeans length or junior sizes are regular women's sizes. If the size filter options are confusing or unclear, some users may skip using them altogether. This makes it harder to find the right product and can even cause users to leave the site. To support users' need to filter by size, clearly group and label all size options. For example, waist sizes should be grouped together, inseam sizes should be grouped together, juniors sizes should be grouped together, and so on. Each group should have a clear label, helping users scan and pick their size confidently. During our testing, one user who was worried about finding the right length for her jeans due to her height was delighted to discover length options in the size filter at Levi's. A user at Express Shopping for Tops was able to rapidly identify both her alpha and regular numeric sizes in the size filter. Given that alpha sizes and women's regular numeric sizes are commonly used for the same wide range of apparel items, consider translating these two size categories in size filters that only show one of them. This way, users familiar with either alpha or numeric sizes can easily see how their preferred size translates to the main size shown. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your filtering interface, including over 80 product list and filtering guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.